This is a video tutorial for iPhone 6 glass replacement. As you can see, pretty much the same, just a little bigger, and they have an extra connector. This glass was heavily cracked, and I peeled all the glass off with my little tool without damaging the LCD. The LCD and the backlight is really thin. You will break it if you don't take your time. So y'all will know, I local glued the screen back down to the glass, and one thing that's gonna happen is the glue is gonna get inside the backlight, and you will have to order another backlight and change it. But as you can see, it comes on, work fine, and all this little area and spot you see is the glue that's inside the backlight. So be careful. Make sure you know what to look for. And it is possible to change the glass. So just remember, you're gonna have to order a backlight. And make sure you take your time, because the LCD is really, really thin.